Jan, my name is Ram Gupta and I am here talking about reservation in India. Reservation in India has started in 1951 and is extended for 10 years only. But now, after a 72 year of independence, reservation is continued running in India. It is not stopped in India. It is main aim to upliftment of backward community. It is development of backward communities because in after independence, SC, ST, scheduled caste community not so that much of that developed in general caste community. So it is main aim to develop that upliftment of backward community. Reservation was the empowerment of the weaker section of society. Reservation in India refers to the practice of reserving a certain percent of seats in government institutions of people belong to backward community. After independence, the main objective of reservation policy was to upliftment of untouchability. Reservation in India has been playing a major role in politics. It is based on vote banks. The leader who belongs to that particular community, they give a reservation because th- if they give reservation to particular section, then they give vote of that leader. So in politics, reservation is played major role. In simple, reservation is meant reserving excess number of seats in government jobs, education institution in all format, but except in defense. In defense jobs, in defense exam, reservation is not permitted, is not allowed in defense sector. In 1951, reservation is proposed because of upliftment of backward community. But after a 72 year of independence, reservation is continued because government not give a proper development of that community. In early 1951, reservation is continue because of development of that particular section, but is now 72 year that particular section not fully developed. First, it is in 1952 it is proposed only for 10 years, but now it is continued for 72 years. That SC/ST not developed, but in my opinion, SC/ST and backward communities are developed, but tribals community are not developed. So I think it is running for tribals community. But my question is, should India needs reservation now? It is duty of government to provide equality of status and opportunity in India. But due to reservation, it can't possible. Government can't give a proper equality of in citizens. Reservation is one of the tools against social and operations and injustice against certain classes. On the other hand, it helps in upliftment in backward classes. But my question is now need of reservation is there or not, and we have to end reservation or not. I hope you answer in comment box. Thank you, Jai.